Y'all, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to simply tone your Brassy yellow orange hair using simple products that you can find at your local beauty supply store. So don't forget to watch, comment, girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and stay tuned. So we're here starting with a rusty, dusty, dry. Oh my gosh, I feel so embarrassed. So this is a custom made unit that I've made with just one bundle and a 13 by 6 inch frontal from CraftedQueens collection. This is our straight bundle and straight frontal. So I'm just demonstrating to show you guys the different dimensions because I did some highlights and lowlights by just switching through with developers. It sounds too much like science to me, I'm so sorry, but if you guys want a detailed video on how to do highlights on your hair, just let me know in the comments below, okay? Because girl, it is too much and this quarantine got me going crazy. Sorry. But yeah, so this is the hair and I'm gonna show you guys how the inside of the wig looks like. So like I said before, it's both 18 inches, 18-inch 13 by 6 inch frontal, and one 18-inch bundle, and it's straight texture from CraftedQueens. Y'all, check out these highlights. I'm like super proud of how they came out. So here I'm demonstrating how the inside of the lace wig looks like. Girl, my stitch game is on point, okay? Who needs a machine? Girl, you better use your hand. So I'm just showing you guys how the lace is. It's literally a 13 by 6. And the back how I stitched it, and literally I only use one bundle, and I gotta stop saying literally, okay? Stop. So I have my little hot pink mixing bowl, and of course I'll be using the Wella Color Charm Toner. It normally runs for $3 to, well, I said three lies, from $5 to $6 a bottle, and I'll be using two toners for this look, and one shade is T10 and the other shade is T14. Also, please make sure you're reading the instructions. That's why I'm opening. I am opening the box so you could read the instructions for yourself. It says for professional use only, but girl, it's available and it's quarantine time and you don't got no time to be looking for somebody to tone your hair for you, so do it yourself. So the instructions clearly state that you have to use 1 part toner and 1 part developer. So you'll see me use 1 part, meaning the whole bottle. After shaking it well, I'm gonna use the whole bottle, pour it into the bowl, and mix it with 1 part, meaning I'll be using that same bottle that I disposed the toner solution. I'll be putting the developer inside of it, dropping that bad boy back inside as well. Okay, so just continue watching. If you have any questions, wait till the end of the video and place it in your comments below. So you're gonna get your whisk and mix the two solutions together, and it'll form a clear, opaque jelly form, and that's when you know that it's properly mixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it until it turns into an opaque golden like a golden brownish color, and that's when I know it's good. So I have both of my toners ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and wet my wig. And yes, it's best to use wet hair when it comes to applying toners, so it can work best in your advantage. Dry hair is not gonna absorb anything, wet hair will. So it's the same thing as washing your clothes. You need your clothes to be wet in order for it to be clean. Okay, I thought too long of that. But yes, it makes more sense. So just so it can make it clear, you could wear gloves for this, but it's not necessary because normally you'll be applying a toner on your guest's hair while they're at the bowl after you're washing their hair, so it doesn't burn your hands or mess up your nose. So it's fine to use your bare hands to apply this solution. And the best way to know that a toner is actually working is when you start noticing the yellow brassy undertones are disappearing right before your eye. So this is not the same way as applying bleach or applying a color where you have a set timer. However, it's best to wait at least 5 minutes while working in the hair and seeing how fast the toner is working. So yeah, just watch, stay tuned. I'm gonna have a little like gray patch on the bottom because of the T10, I believe, which I forgot which one of them, but one of them activated really fast and it got the really light pieces of hair more gray, which is fine because it's more of an ash blonde tone anyway, which I was looking for. So yeah, just work the toner in the hair, massage it, and make sure you're opening the wig or the hair strands so you can work the product into the hair strands. So yeah, just take your time with this, but don't take too much time, if that makes any sense. As you guys could see, the toner is removing that yellow, orangey, brassy undertone. And y'all see the little gray patch on the bottom, but please disregard that part, okay? But it is working and I am loving it, okay? Okay, I'm done. But I'm hype. So inside, I got too excited because I saw my stitch work and I got really excited about it. So yeah, enjoy the stitch work, y'all. Y'all, this color job came out so great. I went ahead and used the Kenra Platinum 1, is it called 1? Oh snap, Platinum Luxe Shine Shampoo and Conditioner, and also their leave-in conditioner to bring back moisture from the hair after stripping it from its natural state. What I would say is that I'm really impressed by the color change and how the hair took the toner really well. So if you guys want to see me styling this wig, please stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.